what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you a extensive look on how we did our back porch makeover. Yay! Please excuse the wiggles in the background, but you'll be seeing two different views. First, you're going to see how we did it when we just wanted a spot for me and Matt, and then you're gonna see now what we've ended with, which is a spot for the kids, and they also have a turf area for all their activities. So that's a lot more practical for us, especially for me staying home every day. I can just take them out there. They have a whole spot where they can play and just enjoy themselves. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'm gonna leave any links for anything that I can find below, and if something's out of stock, because we got a lot of stuff on clearance, then I will leave things that you can get the look for just similar items. But all links will be below in the description box, and let me know what you think of this video. I will see y'all in next week's video. I'll be doing our master walk-in closet makeover next week, so stay tuned and I'll see you later. Bye.
I'm going to be trying to add as many pictures as I can of the before and after shots for y'all, but this was just before, as soon as we built the house. It was the only picture I could find of the back porch area.
An overwhelming second of regret. Driving on.
Jake, come here.
No.
You don't love me when you're outside?
Come here.
What a well-mannered dog. Oh yeah, so this is next. This is from the pit bulls when they wanted to get in the house. It looks like it's termite damage, but that's not the case. One of the first things I did was sand down this trim around the back door. This is where the dogs, when they would scratch, just when they want to get back into the house or anything like that. And the door itself was really dirty, so I just sanded this down and I painted it, and then I repainted the door in that area too. Now I'm going in on this wall. It was really dirty just from all of the animals rubbing against it. This is where they used to sleep, in this corner. So I took a mixture of like bleach and baking soda and I wiped it down first, and then I went in with the magic eraser. If you have not discovered a magic eraser, you're seriously missing out because they're amazing. Just a recap so that y'all don't get confused, you're going to see some videos where I'm very pregnant, which is currently, and then some when I started this project last summer when I wasn't pregnant yet. So just to recap there. Okay, so here you can see where I'm getting ready to put up the poles just for the curtains that I'm getting for the back porch. Matt was going on and on like, why are you putting curtains on the back porch? But I promise, just like him, when y'all see the finished product, you're gonna know exactly what I was picturing. But these are just some poles. They have kind of like the farmhouse look to them. There's a glare so you can't really see. But I got these from Walmart and they are really gorgeous. They were kind of more expensive than the other ones, but they're heavy duty and I highly recommend.
I bought you everything you never questioned.
Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. This video is so crazy. So it is about 6 inches. It's not, okay, it's about, yeah, like 6 inches off the ground, like 4 to 6 inches. It's because I don't want them to be rubbing or, you know, like getting on the ground, because I don't want them to get really dirty. I am going to spray them with a sealer so that they can be outdoors. Not too bad. I got 2 of these beautiful panels for $15 from Walmart. And this pole. I'll show you a little bit better angle of that. I know you can't really see with the lights. Shutters are up, swings up. That's all. I did want to talk about this swing just for a minute. We did get this from Walmart, and so far it has been so great for us. It's great quality, and we got it on a really good deal, so I would definitely check that out. I'll put the link below.
Losing control and speeding faster than light. All this time I waited for a scene.
And that is it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. We had a great time doing this, and I'm so glad that it'll be so much more practical now. The kids love it a lot better. If you did see me putting the chairs on the porch, we tried it that way first, and I just liked it this way better. So enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.